as a Vice Chancellor, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Meghalaya, I am continuously doing the work to retain and regain the status of the neighborhood. In 2022-23, implemented the new education policy for the PG students. In between, we have also even discussed to implement the new education policy for the UG in the next or coming academic sessions. And we already taken all the kinds of the even approval from the different bodies. And I have also the even report. If media want to see, he can see. After the implementation of the new education policy, some organizations, I'm not going to read the name of any organization, even started the agitation against the implementation of the new education policy. In the last press conference, I clearly mentioned that the new education policy is in favor of our young generation, and more than 90% universities of the country implemented the new education policy. Why we not? Another thing is, even the organization also raised the question if the new education policies are not in favor of our young generation, and all of you know what is already happened in the past. So I don't even like to discuss in detail about the past, but after the implementation of the new education policy, even the organization commonly known as the NEOTA, I can say the joint organization of the JC, again even make a group and started shouting again the Vice Chancellor, ki Vice Chancellor already have appointed Mr. Rohit Prasad in very wrong manner without any advertisement and other things. I would like to show that all of you are, this is the act of the university. I am just going to read the lines of the act. I am not going to mention anything other than the act. In the act, page number 9, the Vice Chancellor. The first point, the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the visitor in such manner as may be prescribed by the statutes. Already done. Second point, the Vice Chancellor shall be the principal, executive and academic officer of the university and shall exercise general supervision and control over the affairs of the university and give effect to the decision of all the authorities of the university. And third, that is very important point, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary on any matter, exercise any powers conferred on any authority of the university by or under this act, and shall report to such study the action taken by him on such matter. Under this, after the implementation of the new education policy, some person is required to look the new initiatives. But without new initiative, there is no meaning of the new education policy. It started the recruiting of the new faculty members. In between, under the power of the Vice Chancellor, put the agenda in the Executive Council. This is the agenda. And taken the approval from the Executive Council. And Executive Council clearly given the approval. The committee apprised the council that senior consultant technical officer with IT background, clearly mentioned here, IT background is required in the office of the Vice Chancellor and may be engaged on contractual basis with the payment of monthly remuneration below or less than 1 lakh rupees. I already taken the approval from the Executive Council. After that, even discussed my some friend, Mr. Rohit Prasad, before joining the Northeastern Hill University. He was the technical advisor of Director IIT Roorkee. I think all of you are well aware about the position of the Director of the Roorkee, and you can also assume that the work has been already done by the Rohit Prasad with their director. That's why, on the contractual basis, Vice Chancellor appointed Rohit as a technical advisor, and the power of appointment of the technical advisor is already given. This is appointing authority. Appointing authority, the appointing authority in respect of various posts in the university shall be as under: the Executive Council, permanent appointment, all group of A position; Vice Chancellor, permanent appointment to all group position, group B post, and temporary appointment to all A group and B group. Under this rule, taken a decision to appoint the Rohit Prasad as a consultant of the university.